Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Aisyana Shakira binti Khairul Hafiz. My metric number is L2480575. Today, I am glad to present my research proposal for course LFT 20103 titled The Impact of Social Media Communication on the Fan Engagement in Esport Community. To kick things off, let us look at the executive summary. In the global esport industry, social media has established itself as the principal virtual venue for the community building. This specific study investigates how different digital communication styles range from rigid, formal corporate update to casual, meme-driven content, empirically influence fan interaction and community loyalty within the Malaysian esport ecosystem. To provide some background, esport organizations are inherently digital native. Unlike traditional sport that depend heavily on regional TV or physical stadiums, esport relies entirely on virtual arena like Discord, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and X. This environment has forced a major shift from one-way, unidirectional broadcasting to active community focus to way dialogue driven by digital subcultures. Consequently, tech-savvy fans have developed a deep dependence on this social media platform to track match update, interact directly with players, and feel part of global team community. This brings us directly to our problem statement. The gap we face is that while digital interaction is absolutely crucial for market endurance, the online marketplace is heavily saturated, making capturing and retaining audience attention increasingly difficult. This creates the conflict. Organizations constantly struggle to balance formal corporate tone with informal, meme-based content. As noted in previous literature, surface-level trends do not inherently ensure ongoing monetization or consistent brand loyalty. Furthermore, most existing research focus heavily on traditional sport setting or general marketing rather than how nuanced communication style empirically impact long-term community commitment in esports. To address this issue, my study outlined three clear research objectives and corresponding questions. First, RO examined the direct impact communication style on the cognitive engagement and thought processes of esports fans. Second, RO2 measures the statistical correlation between digital interaction and emotional engagement, such as community loyalty and physiology bonds. Finally, RO3 seeks to determine the extent to which this interactive communication style can accurately predict active behavioral participation, like hitting likes, sharing content, or purchasing team merchandise. Our core question ultimately asks, does the specific interactive style significantly impact behavior fan engagement? Our objectives are solidly grounded in past literature. Looking at identity, one athlete, 2025, found that digital innovativeness greatly enhanced fan identification and emotional bond during the early phase of a fan psychology journey. For loyalty, Calvin, 2024, noted that strategic communication aligned an organization online presence with community identity, heavily boosting a long-term brand equity. Lastly, regarding motivation, Barn 2021 demonstrated that baseline spectator motivation, such as the love for drama and player skill, actively drive digital communication behavior on team platforms. Based on this foundation, the study's conceptual frameworks position interactive communication style as our independent variable. This is expected to directly influence our dependent variable, which is fan engagement in the esport community. Simply put, this framework suggests that the specific style of social media content directly influences the extent of emotional bonding and active participation level among community members. To execute this research, a structured methodology will be followed. This study utilized a quantitative research designed to enable numeric analysis of variables. The target population consists of active members of the Malaysian esport community who follow professional teams on platforms like Discord and X. Using convenient sampling, a sample size of approximately 150 participants will be gathered. The instrument is an online structured question housed on Google Form features a 5-point Likert scale. All collected data will then undergo descriptive statistic and correlation analysis using SPSS. Moving on to our expected finding, we anticipate a strong positive correlation between digital interaction intensity and overall fan engagement levels. Specifically, our research expects that informal, community-centric content will significantly outperform traditional corporate formats. As shown on screen, casual meme-driven content is expected 60% positive impact, interactive live polls sit at 72%, and behind-the-scene content lead the expectation at 88%. In stark contrast, state formal corporate updates are projected to generate only 25% engagement response. This clearly underscores the value of real, two-way digital communication over one-way broadcasting. Now, let us look at the research significance of this project, which summarizes our scope and ultimate contribution. To achieve our objective, we analyzed a sample size of 150 participants from the active Malaysian esports community. Through this scope, we focus on the relationship between our two main variables, our independent variables, which is the interactive communication style, and our dependent variable, which is fan engagement. The ultimate impact of this study is highly practical. It provides data-driven, actionable insight for professional e-sport organizations and community managers. By understanding these dynamics, they can move away from rigid broadcasting, build highly sustainable digital communities, and successfully optimize their brand value in an intensely competitive market. To wrap up everything, social media communication is not just about posting regular information updates. It is the heartbeat of eSport community building. That concludes my research proposal presentation. Thank you so much for your valuable time and attention today.